XAMPP is a free and open-source cross-platform web server solution stack package developed by Apache Friends. It consists primarily of the Apache HTTP server, MariaDB database, and interpreters for scripts written in PHP and Perl. It's an excellent tool for developers to create and test their applications locally. This guide will walk you through the steps to download and install XAMPP on your computer. Step 1. Download XAMPP 1. Visit the official website. Start by navigating to the official XAMPP website at www.apachefriends.org. Here you will find different versions of XAMPP available for Windows, Linux, and macOS. 2. Choose your platform. Select the version that corresponds to your operating system. Click on the appropriate download button to start the download process. For instance, if you are using Windows, click on the Download Windows button. 3. Save the file. Once you click the download button, a pop-up will appear asking you where to save the installer file. Choose a location on your computer and click Save. The file size is approximately 150 megabytes, so the download might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Step 2. Install XAMPP. 1. Run the installer. After the download is complete, navigate to the location where you saved the XAMPP installer file. Double-click the file to run the installer. If prompted by User Account Control UAC, click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your device. 2. Click Next on the welcome screen to proceed with the installation. 4. Select Components. Offers a variety of components that you can install, including Apache, MySQL, PHP, and others. By default, all components are selected. If you are unsure which components you need, it is safe to leave all options checked. Click Next to continue. 5. Choose Installation Folder. You will be prompted to choose a folder where XAMPP will be installed. The default location is C XAMPP. You can change this location if desired, but it is recommended to use the default for simplicity. Click Next. 6. Bitnami for XAMPP. The installer will ask if you want to learn more about Bitnami for XAMPP, which provides free installers and guides for popular web applications. You can uncheck this option if you are not interested. Click Next. 7. Ready to install. Review your installation settings. If everything looks correct, click Next to begin the installation process. This may take several minutes. Eight. Completing the installation. Once the installation is complete, you will see a completion screen. Click Finish to exit the setup wizard. You may also have the option to start the XAMPP control panel immediately. Step 3. Start and configure XAMPP. Launch XAMPP control panel. If you chose to start the XAMPP control panel after installation, it will open automatically. If not, you can launch it from the Start menu or by navigating to the XAMPP installation directory, C XAMPP, and double-clicking xamppcontrol.exe. 2. Start services. In the XAMPP control panel, you will see several modules listed: Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, etc. To start the web server and database services, click the Start buttons next to Apache and MySQL. When the services are running, their status indicators will turn green. 3. Check installation. To verify that XAMPP is working correctly, open a web browser and type http:/localhost into the address bar. You should see the XAMPP welcome page, confirming that the Apache server is running. 4. Configure XAMPP optional. XAMPP provides a range of configuration options accessible through the control panel. For instance, you can change the default ports for Apache and MySQL, manage modules, and access various administrative tools. Conclusion. Installing XAMPP is a straightforward process that equips you with a powerful local development environment. With XAMPP, you can easily set up and test PHP applications, manage databases, and more, all on your local machine. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, XAMPP offers a robust and versatile platform to streamline your web development projects.